3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open kitchen, a living room warm enough to actually want to sit in, and the whole thing built from shipping containers. I know what you're thinking. How? Containers are narrow. They are industrial. They are barely 8 feet wide. How do you get a real family home out of a stack of steel boxes? The answer is in the design. And that is exactly what this video is about. Because in 2026, a new generation of container home designers have cracked the code on something the alternative housing world has been chasing for years. How to make a small footprint 3-bedroom container home that does not just function like a family home. It actually feels like one. Warm, bright, cozy, yours. By the end of this video, you will know the exact container combinations that work for a 3-bedroom layout. You will see the design tricks that make 960 square feet feel like 1,400. You will get the honest 2026 cost numbers. And right at the end, we're going to walk you through one specific floor plan, room by room, that you could take to a builder today. So stay with us all the way through. The floor plan walkthrough alone is worth it. Before we get into the design details, if you are building a container home on a real budget for a real family, this channel is built for you. Subscribe and hit the bell right now, because we put out new container home content every week, all of it grounded in real numbers, real designs, and real builds. Hit subscribe. Now, let us get into it. Let's start with the big picture on why 3 bedrooms matters so much in 2026. For a family of 4, a single person with a home office and a guest room, a couple planning ahead, or a homeowner who wants a short-term rental income from a spare bedroom, 3 bedrooms is the configuration that opens the most doors in life. It is also, frankly, the hardest number to hit in alternative housing. Studios and 1-bedroom container homes are relatively straightforward. 2 bedrooms is manageable with creative design. 3 bedrooms forces you to solve a genuine spatial puzzle. And solving that puzzle is where container home design gets exciting. Here is the key fact for 2026. A typical 3-bedroom container home uses 3 to 4 shipping containers to create between 960 and 1,600 square feet of finished living space. The standard configurations use 40-foot high-cube containers as the primary building blocks, each delivering 320 square feet of floor area at a ceiling height of 9 feet 6 inches. That extra foot of ceiling height compared to a standard container is not a luxury. It is a necessity when you're designing for families. It is the difference between a home that feels spacious and one that feels like a corridor. Used high-cube 40-foot containers in solid condition are currently selling for $2,200 to $5,000 each, depending on region and condition. One-trip containers, which have made a single ocean crossing and are essentially new, run $3,500 to $8,000 per unit. For a 3-container build, your container acquisition budget typically lands between $9,000 and $24,000 before delivery. That is the bones of your home. What you do with those bones is everything. There is no single right way to arrange 3 containers into a family home. But in 2026, 4 layouts dominate the market for good reason. Each solves the space challenge differently. Let's walk through all 4. The linear layout. 3 40-foot containers placed end-to-end or side-by-side in a straight line. This is the most budget-friendly configuration because it requires the fewest structural modifications. The interior walls between containers can be selectively removed to open up the living, dining, and kitchen zones, while the private bedroom wing stays separated at one end. The entire home fits on a narrow rectangular footprint, which makes it ideal for long lots or properties with limited width. The weakness of a linear layout is the tunnel risk. A long, narrow interior without thoughtful design can feel exactly like what it is, a hallway. The solution is strategic window placement and an open-plan living zone that draws the eye outward. Floor-to-ceiling glass on one end of the home, which typically costs $3,000 to $8,000 for a full glass wall, floods the interior with light and makes the whole structure feel dramatically more open. The L-shaped layout. 3 40-foot containers plus 1 20-foot container arranged at an angle. The master bedroom sits in its own wing, separated from the children's rooms or guest room by the open living zone. The corner of the L naturally creates a sheltered outdoor patio or garden. This separation of the master suite from the secondary bedrooms is one of the most requested features in family container homes in 2026. Parents want their private zone. This layout delivers it without adding square footage. The offset design also creates a more interesting architectural roofline and exterior profile. From the street, it reads like a custom contemporary home rather than a series of boxes. That visual distinction matters for resale value and for the simple daily pleasure of coming home. The H-shape layout. 4 40-foot containers arranged with 2 parallel wings connected by a central section. The bedroom wing clusters at one end for privacy. The living, dining, and kitchen space occupies the other. The connecting central section becomes the heart of the home. High ceilings from spanning roof above, natural light from skylights, and a flow that makes the whole structure feel unified rather than modular. The H-shape is the most architectural of the 4 layouts and the most expensive to engineer, but it delivers the most dramatic result. The stack layout. 2 40-foot containers on the ground floor with 2 20-foot containers stacked above. This 2-story approach is the answer for smaller or urban lots where horizontal spread is not possible. Bedrooms go upstairs for privacy. The main living space occupies the full-width ground floor, with ceiling heights that can reach 14 to 18 feet where the upper story does not extend. A steel staircase becomes both a functional element and a central design feature. Rooftop access from the upper containers adds an outdoor deck that transforms the entire living experience. Here is where the magic lives. Because a 960 to 1,200 square foot 3-bedroom container home built by someone who understands spatial design feels nothing like 960 square feet. Here are the specific techniques that the best container home designers are using in 2026. Light is the #1 space expander. A container home with one small window on each wall feels like a box. The same container with oversized windows, a glass panel end wall, or a continuous skylight strip running the ridge of the roof feels completely different. The investment in glazing is the single highest return design dollar in a container home. Every additional square foot of glass adds perceived space for a fraction of the cost of adding actual square footage. Open plan living is non-negotiable. Combining the kitchen, dining area, and living room into a single connected zone removes the psychological walls that make small homes feel cramped. In a 3-bedroom container home, the bedroom wing provides all the separation and privacy a family needs. The public zone should breathe as freely as possible. A galley kitchen layout running along one wall with a peninsula or island projecting into the living space creates a natural social hub without sacrificing flow. Sliding and pocket doors throughout. Traditional swinging doors consume 10 to 14 square feet of clearance arc in every room they serve. In a container home, that space is a precious resource. Sliding barn doors along wall tracks cost roughly the same as standard door assemblies and give back every square foot of that clearance arc. Pocket doors that disappear entirely into the wall are even more powerful for bathrooms and bedrooms. This is not a compromise. Many homeowners find they prefer the design look of a barn door over a standard door in every room. Built-in everything. The discipline of built-in storage transforms a container home. Built-in wardrobes flush with container walls. Built-in shelving in the living zone from floor to ceiling. Underbed drawers in every bedroom. A bench seat at the entry with storage underneath. Every piece of furniture that is built into the structure rather than placed in front of it returns floor space to the room. The visual effect is a home that feels intentional and uncluttered, even when a family of 4 is living full lives inside it. Vertical thinking. High cube containers give you 9 feet 6 inches of ceiling height to work with. Use it. Loft sleeping nooks above study areas and secondary bedrooms. Wall-mounted shelving that runs all the way to the ceiling. Hanging pendant lights at varying heights that draw the eye upward. A sense of vertical volume changes the psychological experience of a narrow space more powerfully than almost any other design move. Warm materials as anchors. This is the secret ingredient in making a container home feel cozy rather than industrial. Engineered hardwood or vinyl plank flooring in warm honey or walnut tones. Shiplap or reclaimed wood paneling on a feature wall in the living zone. Linen or cotton window treatments that soften the hard lines of the steel frame. Layered lighting with warm tone bulbs and recessed cans. Pendants over the island, and table lamps in the living area. The steel bones are invisible under these layers. What you feel is warmth, texture, and home. Let us walk through the rooms of a well-designed 3-bedroom container home so you can picture in real terms. The master bedroom, typically 120 to 180 square feet, positioned at the far end of the home for maximum privacy. A queen bed with a built-in platform base that incorporates underbed drawers. A full-height built-in wardrobe along one wall. A window running the full width of the container end wall, letting in morning light. An en-suite bathroom of 35 to 40 square feet with a 3/4 shower, single vanity, and toilet. Simple, functional, and with the right materials, genuinely beautiful. Bedroom 2, 80 to 120 square feet. For a family, this is the children's room or the teenager's space. A loft bed above a study desk and bookshelf below, which a high-cube container makes entirely possible without a cramped feeling. Built-in shelving along one wall. A sliding barn door. A window seat with storage beneath it. Small but considered. Bedroom 3, 80 to 100 square feet. The guest room or home office that doubles as a guest room. A Murphy bed folding down from a built-in wall cabinet. When folded up, it reveals a full desk surface and shelving unit. This room earns its square footage in 2 completely different ways, depending on the day. The bathrooms. The main shared bathroom serves bedrooms 2 and 3. A 5 by 7 foot layout is the standard in container homes and meets IRC Chapter 29 plumbing code requirements. Subway tile on the walls. A rainfall showerhead. A floating vanity that keeps the floor visually open. Simple, clean, and properly built. The kitchen. A galley layout with base and upper cabinets running one wall and a peninsula projecting out. Full-size appliances. A refrigerator, a range, and a dishwasher. Quartz countertops. Open floating shelves above the peninsula rather than upper cabinets create a lighter, more open feel. The peninsula doubles as a breakfast bar with 2 or 3 stools. This is a kitchen that a family can actually cook in, not just a kitchenette placeholder. The living and dining zone. The open heart of the home. A sectional sofa oriented around a wall-mounted television. A dining table for 6 positioned between the kitchen peninsula and the sliding glass doors that open onto the outdoor deck or patio. Recessed lighting overhead. A pendant light cluster above the dining table. Wood accent wall behind the sofa. In the right light, on the right evening, this room is a place you want to be in. The outdoor extension. The covered porch, deck, or patio that connects to the living zone through full-width sliding glass doors is not optional in a well-designed container home. It is part of the living square footage. The indoor-outdoor connection is one of the most powerful tools for making a compact home feel generous. Even a 120 square foot covered deck with string lights, a small outdoor dining set, and a couple of plants transforms the entire character of the space. Let us talk real numbers, because you deserve a clear picture of what this actually costs to build in 2026. For a 3-bedroom container home using 3 40-foot high-cube containers in an L-shape or linear configuration, here's where your money goes. Containers. 3 units at $2,200 to $5,000 each comes to roughly $6,600 to $15,000. Add delivery fees of $500 to $2,000 depending on distance and site access. Foundation. A concrete slab foundation for a 960 to 1,200 square foot footprint runs $5,500 to $15,000 at $5.75 to $13.50 per square foot. Structural modifications including cutting openings for windows, doors, and the connections between containers, plus welded steel reinforcement headers throughout, $10,000 to $25,000. Insulation. Spray foam is the standard for containers, and it runs $1.50 to $5 per square foot of surface area. Budget $6,000 to $14,000 for a thorough job across 3 containers. Do not cut this line. Electrical. $7,000 to $15,000 for a full residential system. Plumbing for 2 bathrooms and a kitchen. $8,000 to $15,000. HVAC with ductless mini-split systems, size for the home. $5,000 to $15,000. Drywall and interior wall finishes. $3,000 to $7,000. Flooring across 960 to 1,200 square feet. Vinyl plank at $2 to $7 per square foot runs $2,000 to $8,400. Engineered hardwood at $8 to $15 per square foot runs $7,700 to $18,000. Kitchen cabinetry, countertops, and appliances, $8,000 to $25,000 depending on selection. Bathroom fixtures and tile for 2 full bathrooms, $5,000 to $14,000. Windows and exterior doors, for $1,000 to $12,000. Exterior cladding, painting, and roofing if an additional roof structure is added, for $1,000 to $15,000. Permits and inspections, $1,500 to $5,000 depending on your municipality. General contractor fees if you hire out the full build, 10 to 20% of total project cost. Add it all up, and a fully finished mid-range 3-bedroom container home in 2026 runs $100,000 to $200,000. A high-end version with premium finishes throughout can reach $250,000. Prefab container home companies like Bob's Containers currently list their 3-bedroom models starting at $128,723 for a basic build, rising to $217,583 for a fully appointed multi-unit design. Compare that to the average cost of a traditionally built 3-bedroom home in the United States in 2026, which sits well above $350,000 in most markets before land cost. And the case for container construction is clear. Here is something that rarely gets said in housing conversations. Smaller homes make better homes for the people who live in them. Not because deprivation is somehow virtuous, but because a smaller, well-designed space forces intentionality. Every surface earns its place. Every piece of furniture is chosen, not inherited by default. Every room has a clear purpose. The home breathes. In a 3-bedroom container home, a family of 4 is never far from each other. The kitchen is not a separate room you call across. The living space is not a formal zone that only gets used on holidays. The home creates proximity, and proximity in a home that is also beautiful creates connection. The families who have made this transition consistently report something that surprises them. They spend more time together, not because they have to, but because the space draws them together naturally. The cozy factor in a container home is not a limitation dressed up as a feature. It is a genuine design outcome. Warm materials, human scale rooms, light that moves through the day and changes the mood, a porch that invites you outside in the evening. These are the things that make a house feel like home. And a well-designed 3-bedroom container home delivers all of them. So here is the bottom line. A 3-bedroom container home in 2026, designed with the right layout, the right materials, and the right spatial thinking, is not a compromise. It is a choice to live in something that is built for the life you actually live at a cost that leaves money for the rest of your life, in a structure that will outlast a traditional wood frame home by decades. The design secrets we walk through today are not complicated. Light, open plan, built-ins, warm materials, indoor-outdoor connection. Every one of them is achievable on a realistic budget. Every one of them is being done right now in container homes across the country. If this video opened your eyes to what is possible in a small footprint, drop the word cozy in the comments. We love hearing from people who are seriously thinking about this build, and we read every single comment. And if you want to go deeper, our next video takes you through a complete container home floor plan design session from blank lot to finished blueprint. It is one of the most detailed videos on this channel, and if you're seriously planning a build, you do not want to miss it. Subscribe if you have not already. We will see you there.